all political leaders in the country, wewe uza sera zao. What do you have about this? Why are you so obsessed with Kabilai? I see there is one of them who forgets about everything. Akiongea tu saa yote, Ruto, Murkomen. It's like there's nobody else in this whole architect ya security. Ruto, Murkomen alisema, tunajua ukabila yako. We are not going to entertain that ukabila. If you want to sell your policies, uza your policies. Don't profile me because of my community. Yeah, I am a Kenyan serving the people of Kenya as the cabinet secretary for security, and I will serve every Kenyan equally. No, don't bring your petty, silly politics. Sijui kama mmenisikia? So, my friend, I have kept quiet for far too long. We will meet with those inciters face to face. Na awaje kudharau Inspector General of Police, sio mtoto yake. Sijui kanja, nataka kuya, alitoroka, alifanya. Please, have some kidogo. Mko na bahati, siko kwa siasa, mimi ni waziri.